Hello guys, in this video we will see how to fix error no proc slots code 0x80070059 on your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you are also facing such type of error code when installing your Windows system, then the first workaround is go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator, command prompt Windows will open. Here execute first these three DISM tool one by one. DISM scan health, DISM check health and DISM restore health. Scan health, check health and restore health. Execute one by one followed by enter key on each times. After that, execute the command sfc scan now, sfc space / scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. Thereafter, scan your system also. Go to settings. From the left side, go to privacy and security. Choose Windows security from the right side. Click on it. Here choose virus and threat protection. Choose scan options. And here you will find 4 options. Choose full scan. And finally click on scan now. And let the window complete the scanning process. And after that restart your system and check whether your error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows settings, right click on start button, choose settings. You may press Win plus I shortcut key to launch Windows settings. Here from the left side, go to system settings. Here scroll down and at the bottom of the page you will find the option about. Click on about, scroll down and choose advanced system settings. System properties windows will open now. Here under go to advanced tab from the top menu bar and under performance section click on settings. A new window will open. Here go to advanced tab again from the top menu bar and go to virtual memory section and click on change. A new window will again open. Here from the top option, automatically manage paging file size for all drivers, uncheck this option and scroll down and click on custom size. Now put initial size and maximum size. As shown on screen, initial size should be 1.5 into available RAM into 1024. Initial size should be, formula is this, maximum size formula is 3 into available RAM into 1024. For example, for a PC with 4 GB RAM, initial size will be 6144. 1.5 into 4 available RAM into 1024 and maximum size will be 12,288. 3 into available RAM size 4 into 1024. Put this value, initial size and maximum size 6144 and maximum size 12,288. And finally click on OK to save the changes. Change virtual memory size to fix this error code. Sometimes virtual memory size may be a cause of this error code appear on your screen, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on the start button and choose run. To open run dialog box, you may press Win plus R shortcut key. Here type RSTRUY to launch system restore window. Click on OK. System restore window will open. Restore system files and settings. Click on next. From the bottom of the page, here choose a system restore point. Restore your computer to the state it was in before good condition. So more restore points and choose a restore point from which your computer was in good condition. and click on next, and finally confirm your restoration point. Click on finish. After that, restart your system and your error code will definitely be resolved. That's all.